Quick video here. This is a Voodoo Lab pedal power Mondo. I couldn't find anything about it on YouTube when I was trying to sort it out. It's basically a pedal power supply with sag as well, which is like a valve simulation. When the batteries go dead on a pedal, it sounds sort of distorted and spluttery. That's what sag is, and it's originally used on valve amps. This just provides power for a lot of pedals. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pedals supply power to. 9 volts, also 12 volts, that's selectable at the back with a dip switch at the back here. Anyway, the customer of this, he plugged it in to 220 volts, and in Brazil it's 127 volts, so he completely roasted it, so I had to do it for him. You have 2 transformers in this, and they're both 115, you see. 115, 127, that's fine, but 220, 115, no way. It roasted them. So basically I had to get this one rewound. The primary was open circuit on this one, and as well this one rewound. They're 2 separate transformers. This transformer does these outputs here, and when I had this one rewound, these worked, but I didn't realize this was gone as well. I just had this one done, and now these ones work. Everything works. This LED comes on. So there we go. You can see here they're using surface mounted bridge rectifiers. The problem is in Brazil you can't get any components hardly. It's terrible. So what I've had to do, unfortunately, because I don't really like doing it, as you might be able to see there's some bridge rectifiers, can type small bridge rectifiers, and let's see if I can zoom in. You see those? They're W10s, they're 1 amp bridge rectifiers. I've had to mangle the legs up so they occupy the same space as this bridge rectifier one here. This surface mount one, sorry, not bridge rectifier, what am I talking about? I just can't get them here, that's the problem. Here is one of the faulty one there, and I've had to replace it, or 2 of them, with the can type there, and the transformer gets in the way, and this outlet gets in the way because this is a spare outlet. It's an untidy job, but unfortunately I don't have any alternative to get this out. Now what I'm doing to test this, I've built a rig here. This is what a lot of engineers use, but although I didn't really hear about this in England really, this is something they use here, and it's a very good idea. And basically what this is, the live goes to the plug there, live and neutral, they come in here. The neutral goes straight to this AC outlet socket, which is switched, okay? The live goes through here, underneath, straight to one side of the light bulb. The other side of the light bulb comes back and is switched to this socket. So basically all the live passes through this light bulb, and this light bulb acts like a heat sink. Sorry, not a heat sink, current sink. So what happens is, if you have connected an amplifier or anything like that which has got a short circuit on it, this light will light up to warn you. You just switch it off quickly and you don't damage any capacitors, any transistors. If the light doesn't come on at all, then it's perfect. So always use this when testing amplifiers or anything that's voltage related. The other thing though, this bulb here is a 100-watt halogen, so that I find that to be quite good, but it needs to be an incandescent bulb, because obviously LEDs use 7 watts, which isn't enough. You have to have This is a 127 volts, 100 watts. See, it's the same for the UK and America, whatever voltage you're on. It's the same sort of setup. Live goes in straight to the bulb, comes out of the bulb in series to here. Normally you would put live and neutral into the bulb, but this test setup, live is in series. It makes this bulb illuminate if there's a fault. So let's just switch this on. I hope it doesn't go bang. Right, you see that? The light doesn't come on, the LED's on, it's working. So there we go. Hopefully someone's found this interesting if you've got a Mondo pedal power. Also, if you're testing amplifiers or anything voltage critical, this is a fantastic device. Thanks very much for watching.